We got this little thing down at the train show today, little airplane. Ready?
Ready?
Let's go shoot it up in the air. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It didn't last too long, bud. Little train. This thing, it broke on the first flight. Uh-oh. I guess that's why it was there. You try. This is why it was $3. Oh boy.
Oh, boy. Me do it.
Here, let me try.
Yeah.
Put it back together again.
Yeah.
This goes up here. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
This goes on here. Like this. This goes on the bottom like this. It has to connect the front somehow. So it should go, oh boom.
Oh, boom.
Should go in here. This should go in here. So here we go, bud. Ready? Ready, bud? Come on. All right.
Aye.
I need tape. Let's try it like this. All right. It's still going. Oh, your turn. You throw it. Now you got to throw it in. Uh-oh. See, it has to connect. Oh, boy. It has to go like this. And like this. And now try. Go ahead. Your turn. Now throw it. Uh-oh, Sev. Go ahead. All done.
Uh-oh.